All hail a beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Today we are back for another video, and this time I have another unboxing for you guys. Listen, I don't know what this is. I think it's one of 4 things, but I don't know. So I know I haven't done like a true unboxing with you guys for a while. So I figured I'd do a quick unboxing for you guys, and maybe we can see what this is. So I think if this is what I think it is, which is one of these 4 items, these 4 items are all from subscribers. Which one this is from, I have no clue, but we are going to figure this out together. So this one here says it's for me, Big Beard Business. They have impeccable handwriting. All right, and it says 7 times vials. All right, I have no clue. Maybe they sent me 7 different samples, but I don't know. It's not like super heavy. So this is interesting, man. Oh. I'm slicing stuff up. I don't really see who this is from. It's from Berlin. At the end of the day, that's how I know it's from. It's from Berlin. So let's check this out. It says, we hope you like our perfume. All the best from Berlin. All right, cool. So this is not from a subscriber. So this is from someone else. This is like a company. And it's a full bottle one here. So I am completely thrown off. All right. Okay. All right, let's check this thing out. So this is a true first impressions of this fragrance. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. All right, nice packaging. Whatever, I can't put it back together. This must be like a discovery set. Yes, it is. It's a discovery set. It has 1A33 and a bunch of other stuff I'm not even gonna attempt to pronounce. I don't wanna butcher it. All right, it's not written in English, I know that. All right, so this one is kind of sneaking in because some of you know that I do not do reviews of decants on the channel. Like samples and decants, I typically do not talk about them on the channel, as you guys like to see full presentations, as I like to see full presentations when I'm watching someone else's review. But because we did a true unboxing and I'm a man of my word, we're going to stick to this. I could have easily cut the camera off if y'all wouldn't have knew. I'm going to review these here, not review, I'm going to do a first impression testing of these. All right. I'm going to spray them as they land. So 1A33. Okay, so this one's really bright. 1A33. I did 2 little sprays from this one. This one's very bright, vibrant fragrance. All right, so in this fragrance here, 1A33, and I'll leave everything below for the company here. You have pink pepper, you got jasmine, you got magnolia flower oil, and you also have cedarwood and iris powder. I like that one. Damn, this reminds me of something though. I can't pull it off the top of my head right now, but I do like that one. And I would try, since I'm doing this one here, I'm going to do something else as well, because I feel like it's only fair. I'm going to pull another one from here. Let's go on the darker side. And this one is letter 6 or liter 6. Let's see what we got here. This one is leather, saffron flower, milk and vanilla. And you also have incense essence. So let's try this one out and see where we stand. Now, obviously, I could try this on skin as well, which I probably will do. I like that. All right, I like this one. I like them both. Shit, I like both of these fragrances. They sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They sent me 7 samples of a fragrance. All right, 1A33. Is this different? 1A33. Color's the same. All right, listen, so they sent me 2 of these 1A33s. I'm not sure if any of you guys or girls out there will want this one, but if you do, I'm gonna tell you what you do to get this one here. All right, cool. And because I'm doing this, and I said I typically do not do samples and decants on the channel, I'll show you one that came in. I think it's only fair. Like, I did not know what that was, and I did the live impressions, and I gotta talk to you guys about this one. Boom. So I had this one for a while now, maybe like 2 or 3 weeks. All right, But I didn't bring it to you for the simple fact that it's not a full presentation. But because I'm bringing you that, it's only fair that I bring you this one here. And this one is dope. You're gonna see this one start popping up here in the US. They sent me an email a while ago, like, Big Beard B, will you mind if we send you something? And I gave them the standard response. Sending me something doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna make it to the channel. They said, cool, if you can just give us your impressions via email, we would like to know so we know if we can bring it to America. And I said, cool, send it, here you go. All right, they sent it over to me, and this is some nice presentation packaging here, and boom. You got this like suede velour, oops. All right, so I just dropped one of the barcodes out of here, but you got this suede velour type of nubuck type of material on the inside. Really cool, man, really cool presentation. They definitely did not spare any expenses with this, but they sent, I think 16 fragrances. 1, 2, 3, 1, They sent 16 fragrances here, right? A lot of these fragrances smell nice. I'm not a fan of all of them, but a lot of them smell nice. So I'm going to talk to you about 2 of them that I did like, right? This one is, I know you guys like, how did you know which one you like? So really weird. They sent these test strips, right? So for the ones that I did like, I put the blue part down. I know it's weird, like I try to like trick myself, right? I put the blue part down, like thumbs down, but those are the ones that I like. The ones that I did not like, I put the blue side up. That way I knew the difference of the ones that I did and did not like. So the ones that I liked the most was either Lenard or Lenard, I'm not sure which one they call it, and this one is Shake Ambra. These are the 2 that stood out to me the most. I think out of all of them, there were like 5 of them that I truly enjoyed the most. But these 2 were super solid in my opinion. This Shake Ambra, this has like this bubblegum vibe to me, like a minty type of bubblegum, not like a 1 million or something like that. I like this one a lot. They did a great job with this one, in my personal opinion. Now this company is Ambra Perfumes. Hopefully I said that correctly. They are based out of Dubai. And again, they plan on bringing their stuff to the US here, and they wanted to get some opinion to see if it was advantageous for them to come across the pond. And I think it is. This Lenard or Lenard has like this slightly oudish type of vibe to it. I like it, man. Really dope house. So far, great fragrance. And I'm going to list all of the ones that I did like down below for you guys, man. I don't want to take up a whole video of just like decants and samples because that's not my thing. All right, I'll leave that for other people who like it. It's not me. But nonetheless, man, solid house. And then these things here, these barcodes, right? These are little incense type of things. You kind of just, you can burn them at your leisure, or you can leave it open. Like if you have a car or something, like I leave like samples open in the car sometime. But those are 2 fragrance houses that sent me something here, man. Ambra Perfumes, and what's the name of this other one? Name's not on this one. I tossed the box. I will link everything down below, man. Let you guys know what I thought about these. If you smelled any of these, comment below and let us know your thoughts and opinions on these as well. I thought this was subscriber mail, but this is actually from a company, and I appreciate it, man. Their discovery set is here, live in full effect. And if you want to get this one here, just this little tester of this one is 1A33. Let me know that you made it to the end of the video and write discovery set. It is what it is. I will randomly pick a person who wrote discovery set and send this out to you. That's what I have for you guys today. I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back again. And do me a favor, man. Be a gentleman and hit the goddamn